Descriptive Doc Title, Accessibility in Practice, Colorado Department of Labor and Employment. Today we're going to talk about document titles in Google Docs. I have on my screen an example of an inaccessible Google document, and we're going to work on making it accessible. Today we're going to add an accessible title. A title should be descriptive and intuitive, but also short and succinct. Right now, it is called Copy of Inaccessible Version - Accessible Google Doc / Word Doc Assignment. While that is true for today, that is what we're talking about, the actual document talks about being a progress report for the unit. So I'm actually going to go up to my Google document title. I'm going to select my entire title by double-clicking on it. And then I'm going to remove this title by selecting the back button on my keyboard and typing in my new title. I'm going to actually call it the same as my first heading on my document because it seems pretty succinct and true. It is a progress report for the unit, so I'm going to use that as my title. Great, so now I have my first accessibility checklist item done. I have renamed my document to a succinct and descriptive title. It is now named Progress Report for the Unit. Find more videos on our YouTube channel at CDLE_DLSS.